cat. It was 2 o'clock in the morning and it was very dark. Mr. Thompson woke up his wife, Erin. He called softly, "The baby is crying." Miss Thompson sat up in the bed and listened. "That's not the baby, Jim," she said. "It's a cat. It can't be." Her husband said, "I'll go and look." Look. Mr. Thompson got up and went to the window. You're right, Erin," he said. There's a cat in the garden. Listen to it. You must stop it. You must stop it, Jim," Mrs. Thompson said. "That cat will wake up the baby." "What can I do?" Mr. Thompson asked. "It's very cold. I'm not going into the garden." "Throw a shoe at it," his wife suggested. "I can't do that," Mr. Thompson answered. "Why not?" his wife asked. "Can't you see it?" "I can see it very well," Mr. Thompson said, "but I can't throw a shoe at it. It's sitting on my greenhouse." Seekor kucing yang cerdik. Jam 2 di pagi hari dan itu sangat gelap. Tuan Thompson membangunkan istrinya, Erin. Dia memanggil dengan lembut. "Bayi sedang menangis." Nyonya Thompson duduk di ranjang dan mendengarkan. "Itu bukan bayi, Jim," dia berkata. "Itu adalah seekor kucing." "Itu tidak mungkin," suaminya berkata. "Saya akan pergi dan melihat." Tuan Thompson bangun dan pergi ke jendela. "Kamu benar, Erin," dia berkata. "Ada seekor kucing di taman. Dengarkanlah." "Kamu harus menghentikannya, Jim," Nyonya Thompson berkata. "Kucing itu akan membangunkan bayi. Apa yang bisa saya lakukan?" Tuan Thompson bertanya. "Ini sangat dingin. Saya tidak bisa ingin pergi ke taman." "Lemparkanlah sebuah batu kepada kucing itu," istrinya menyarankan. "Saya tidak bisa melakukan itu," Tuan Thompson menjawab. "Kenapa tidak?" istrinya bertanya. "Tidak dapatkah kamu melihatnya?" "Saya dapat melihatnya dengan sangat jelas," Tuan Thompson berkata, "tapi saya tidak bisa melempar sebuah sepatu kepadanya." Kucing itu sedang duduk di atas di atas rumah kacaku. Apakah itu jam 2 di sore hari? Was it 2 o'clock in the afternoon? No, it was. Tidakkah itu jam 2 di pagi hari? Wasn't it 2 o'clock in the morning? Yes, it was. Tidakkah Tuan Thompson membangunkan istrinya? Did Mr. Thompson wake up his wife? Yes, he did. Apakah bayi sedang menangis? Is the baby crying? Yes, he is. Dapatkah mereka mendengarkan seekor kucing? Can they hear a cat? Yes, they can. Tidak akankah Tuan Thompson pergi dan melihat? Won't Mr. Thompson go and look? Yes, he will. Apakah dia pergi ke jendela? Did he go to the window? Yes, he did. Dapatkah dia melihat seekor kucing di taman? Can he see a cat in the garden? Yes, he can. Tidak akankah kucing itu akan membangunkan bayi? Won't the cat wake up the baby? Yes, it will. Akankah Tuan Thompson pergi ke taman? Will Mr. Thompson go into the garden? No, he will. Bisakah dia melempar sebuah sepatu kepada kucing itu? Can't he throw a shoe at the cat? No, he can't. Tidakkah kucing itu sedang duduk di rumah kacanya? Isn't the cat sitting on his greenhouse? Yes, it is. Siapa yang bangun pada jam 2? Who woke up at 2 o'clock? Mr. Thompson. Siapa yang membangunkan Nyonya Thompson? Who woke up Mrs. Thompson? Mr. Thompson. Siapa yang dapat melihat seekor kucing di taman? Who can see a cat in the garden? Mr. Thompson. Apakah Tuan Thompson bangun di jam 2 atau di jam 4? Did Mr. Thompson wake up at 2 o'clock or at 4 o'clock? Mr. Thompson wake up at 2 o'clock. Apakah istrinya tidur atau bangun? Was his wife asleep or awake? His wife awake. Akankah Tuan Thompson keluar dari tempat tidur atau akankah Nyonya Thompson keluar dari tempat tidur? Will Mr. Thompson get out of bed or will Mrs. Thompson get out of bed? Mr. Thompson get out of bed. Apakah Tuan Thompson pergi ke jendela atau apakah dia pergi ke taman? Did Mr. Thompson go to the window or did he go into the garden? Mr. Thompson go into the window. Apakah kucing itu di taman atau di atap? Is the cat in the garden or on the roof? The cat on the roof. Apakah kucing itu di atas rumah kaca atau di dalam rumah kaca? Is the cat on the greenhouse or in the house? The cat on the greenhouse. Jam berapa itu? What time was it? 2 o'clock in the morning. Kenapa Tuan Thompson telah membangunkan istrinya? Why has Mr. Thompson woken up his wife? Because listen, baby's crying. Apa yang dapat mereka dengar? What can they hear? The baby is crying. Kemana Tuan Thompson pergi? Where did Mr. Thompson go? Went to the window. Di mana kucing itu? Where was the cat? There's a cat in the garden. Apa yang harus Thompson lakukan? What must Mr. Thompson do? Must stop it. Kenapa Tuan Thompson tidak akan pergi ke taman? Why won't Mr. Thompson go into the garden? Because it's very cold. Di manakah kucing itu sedang duduk? Where is the cat sitting? It's sitting on greenhouse. Kenapa Tuan Thompson tidak bisa melempar sepatu kepada kucing itu? Because it's sitting on greenhouse.